Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how to create plurals in the Arabic language. There are three types of plurals: sound masculine, sound feminine, and broken plurals. Now, to explain these three types of plurals, I'm going to be using the example of the singular word jamil. Now, this noun means beautiful. Now, jamil is the masculine. So if I was to use jamil, I would refer to a man. So I would say, he is jamil, he is handsome. Now, if I was talking to a woman, all I would do is add a ta marbuta at the end of jamil, making it jamila. And I would say, she is jamila, she is beautiful. Now, how do we create the sound masculine plural? All we do is add a waw and a noon at the end of jamil, forming an una sound. And now when jamil is added before, the word becomes jamiluna, meaning beautiful men or handsome men. So now, how do we make the sound feminine plural? What we do is add an alif and a ta at the end of jamil, forming the word jamilat, meaning beautiful woman. Now, jamil also takes a broken plural, and jamil's broken plural is jumala. Now, how is the broken plural created and why is it called broken? So basically what happens is that jamil, the singular, is taken and it is broken apart. And once it is broken apart, letters are added into it and letters are taken away from jamil, forming this new word, jumala. Now, sound feminine and sound masculine follow a pattern. In sound feminine, a waw and a noon, and in sound feminine, an alif and a ta. So it is easy to remember and identify these types of plurals. But the broken plural is harder to memorize. You can't memorize the pattern because there is no pattern. And every word has a different type of broken plural. And also what I want to say is that sound masculine, sound feminine, and broken plurals are used for people in groups of three or more. So if I saw a group of three or more men, I would call them jamilun. If I saw a group of women, three or more, I would call them jamilat. And the same goes for jumala. So if I saw a group of men, three or more, I would say jumala. Jamiluna and jumala work in the same way. They are both masculine. Now, what would we do if we saw a group of women and a group of men? Now, in this type of situation, what we would do is use jamiluna or jumala. Regardless, we would never use jamilat. Jamilat is only for a group of women consisting of only women. Now, jamiluna and jumala can also be used for a group of men and women. So inshallah, I hope this has cleared up this concept. And in the next video, I'm going to be explaining how to create the in the Arabic language. And I hope this benefited. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.